Have you ever been in a situation where they just put a big fix for a critical issue you had, and they say, hey, you have 1 hour to test it and make sure it's working properly, right? Or you're in a situation where you have 1 week to test a product before it goes live, and you have so many different testing ideas and strategies you want to follow, but you don't know where to start, what to do. So I was one such tester who was in these situations, right? And over the past 12 to 13 years of testing different types of applications, I started seeing patterns in terms of how there are some common testing approaches which can find defects in various type of application, no matter whether it's desktop or mobile or web or native app applications. And I went one step further and started practicing session based exploratory testing and found out that I could explore the application in a really structured way and also use my creativity to find more vulnerabilities in the application, right? So that's what this workshop is going to be about, where I'm going to talk about the power of pairing first, because whatever I did was based on pairing with another colleague of mine, because it helped us to find a lot of issues. Then I'm going to discuss how to do session based exploratory testing, and we're going to pick live applications and practice them together like one big happy family. So I'll see you there in my workshop.